Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Namaste, I am Dr. Shruti Mishra. I am Assistant Professor and the Coordinator in the Department of Management and Commerce, Faculty of Law and Governance in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as you know that we all are facing the very difficult situation of the pandemic COVID-19. That's why we cannot able to meet in the university face to face. And I'm sure and I'm quite sure that the new students wants to come to the university, and it's just not with the new students, and the old students also definitely wants to come to the university, but the staying at home and be safe is rather more important than coming to the university right now, because we are facing the very worst situation in the world right now. So thankfully we are having this medium of the communication, so we can communicate on the daily basis, and we can have the virtual sessions as well. There is no issue about it. So let's begin with that, because I'm here for the mentorship, that what exactly mentorship means and why it is necessary, what are the different measures of the mentorship, why the students should go and should take the sessions of the mentorship. Because I'm saying this as a session, because this is not a class, because you are not you'll not come here for the lecture, you'll not come here for any kind of class notes or PPTs and presentations, nothing. It's just like that you are having a class in which you can talk about yourself, about your friends, about your families, about your things, your career, your profession, your difficulties in studying, and everything you can discuss about it. So basically, I think I should start with this, that why this course has been launched by the university, and why this course has been put up in front of you. So university follows a very streamlined process of the continuous monitoring, evaluation, and the progress of the student. So when we streamline the things, we need someone to see and monitor that how the student is performing. For the sake of that, we are requiring, or we require generally, that is mentorship. So the university has designed the process of the mentorship just because to monitor the things and evaluate and see the progress of the student, right? So that's why the basic reason behind it is just that's why the university has put up this particular of the course. Now the mentorship is about the interaction between the teachers and the students, and it is a dialogue. It is not a monologue, but it is a dialogue had from the side of the students. As we know that the students are the primary focus of any of the university, and those are the the assets of the organization, of any of the organization, educational institution. So it is the primary focus of any of the organization or the educational institution to see whether they are happy, whether they are stress free in the organization or not. If they are not happy, then what are the reasons behind that? We dig out those reasons in the mentorship, as we can say that. So it's basically like that there are three categories which has been defined: the slow, the average, and the advanced learners. So these three categories, these three groups has been divided. On the basis of that, the students has been grouped, the new students has been grouped, and the older students has been grouped only on these of the basis. So by differentiating these three, with these three groups, we can say that teachers are designed with a different of the approaches, that the slower students need particular this kind of the approach, and the average students need this kind of the approach, and the advanced students will be needing definitely the career advancement opportunities, that how they can excel in their career, how they can learn the things in the better way. Not just about the study I'm talking about everything you learn, everything you see on the daily basis, how you can write the different research papers, and how you can start up your own business. This we will definitely learn in the second or third session. But before that, I think I should come up to the point that why this particular mentorship is required and why it is necessary, what are the objectives of the mentorship. That's, I think, that I should discuss on the primary, that should be my primary focus. So to make the students happy and make the students stress free is the basic parameter of any of the organization or any of the educational institution. That's why the mentorship is very much required. There you can talk about anything you want to feel like. The mentors are there to solve your problems, to hear out you, to solve the academic problems as well as your personal problems. Personal problems comes like personal problems, I would rather say, that comes with the rider. It's not like that we deal with everything, but yeah, we'll deal with those problems which are related to your personal university problems, like you are facing the problems with your roommates, you are facing the problem in your hostels, or you are having the problems with your friends, or you don't have the friends, or you are feeling that you are aloof, or there are so many kind of problems are there. So you can discuss those problems with us. So there is a rider that you can discuss the problems related to us, related to your problems, which are having with a limited extent, not everything. So in the mentorship, the another point is to support the students. To support the students means to support the slow students, because they are actually needing the help from the university, or you can say from the mentors. That's why the mentors are there to help you out every time, everywhere. You are facing any kind of problem, you are having any kind of doubts related to your academics, related to your personal things, you can talk to your faculties, right? The next one is to direct the I mean, that is somehow very much important to know, that those who are average should not feel that they need to be in the average part, they should grow, right? So for growing, there are lots of efforts are required, right? So lots of effort means the mentor should also put up some efforts for the average learners as well. So to direct the average learners and towards the advanced learning, right? So that is also very primary focal point for all the mentors. Another one is to refine the learning opportunities so they are effective for, so that would be effective for the each of the student. It's not like that you are whatever the I know all people grow with time, right? So whatever you were learning in class 8, 9, 10th and 11, you will definitely change your way of learning the things. You are having the broader prospects, you are learning in the better ways. So that's how the people grow, right? And that is something very much important for everyone to deal with the things. So in this mentorship, we will definitely learn and see that how we can learn how we can use the opportunities, how we can learn the things, how we can learn the new skills, abilities, and how we can sharpen our own abilities, own skills within ourselves, which are having in ourselves, but we are not actually looking into them. So that's all we do in the mentorship, to make the advanced learners to uncover their deeper layers of learning. So I told you previously that nobody is perfect in life, so the advanced learners should not feel like that they are the supreme power of the university. No, not like that, because they should also learn, because they need to grow more faster than the speed of the other students, right? So that's why you are required to uncover those parts of knowledge and the learning which are required for your own benefit, for your own sharpen your abilities, I can say. So I think the last point but not the least, that is the mentorship is somehow very much important for the personality development. Personality development plays a major role in dealing with the I think with the when you go to the career, when you go to the professional life, you see that the personality plays a major role. So that's what the mentorship does, right? So I hope this is all for the day, and I hope you like this session. If you're having any query related to this particular video, please do let me know. I'll definitely try to solve these problems in the next video. and we'll discuss the another things in the new session as well, next session as well. So thank you, students. I hope you enjoyed this session, and please be safe and keep social distancing. Thank you.